Greetings everyone, this is Vishnupriya from Andhra Pradesh. So I'm presently pursuing my first year BTech in NIT Warangal CSC department. So coming to my marks, I have secured 97.01 percentile in my January attempt and 99.65 percentile in April attempt. So finally I have scored 4003 as my overall rank in JEE Main. So today I'm here to suggest you some tips so that you'll write your main exam well. So firstly, I'm going to say you two things so that these two things you should avoid in your examination. The first thing is tension. Don't ever get tensed during your examination. If you get tensed during your examination, what happens is you won't be able to solve the easiest bits also, and that will really cost you a lot. So don't get tensed, be cool, be calm and write your exam. Just trust yourself. And the second thing I'm going to say is that try to give equal time to the three subjects. Like in my January attempt, I have given more time to my chemistry exam and I neglected physics. And finally, that became a disaster in my January attempt. So don't ever do that. Try to give equal time to the three subjects. Like if you find one subject easy, try to solve it in less time and give that remaining time to the other two subjects, but don't ever neglect any subject. And the tips I'm going to say you, like there were only a few days left for your examination, right? The tips I'm going to give you for examination is go through the previous year bits. I don't say the same bit repeat, but the same modulus. More and more practice previous year papers and also mock tests. And while practicing, remember one thing, analyze yourself that you are able to identify the easy bits. So why I'm saying this is while writing an examination, you'll go through easy bits, medium bits and hard bits. So while writing an examination, you should be able to identify easy bits and solve them so that you'll set a minimum score. Then go to hard bits and those hard bits will fetch you extra marks. So like if you just stick to a hard bit and solve them and give it more time, no one will give you bonus marks for solving a hard bit. So first identify easy bits, then do them, and next go for hard bits. Don't waste your time on hard bits only. So next and finally, when come to the individual subjects, inorganic chemistry, there will be structures and chemical names. As there was less time for you now, try to remember those chemical names and structures, practice them every day, write it in some book or read every morning so that you'll remember them easily and you will be able to solve that bit within less than 5 seconds. And next, of course in maths, physics and physical chemistry, formulas are important. So go through formulas thoroughly. And organic chemistry is a very important topic. Don't ever by heart the reaction. Remember the mechanism and you'll easily able to solve all the bits. And next, the most important thing, because this 20 days or more is a very crucial time for you. You should be able to take care of your health. Don't neglect your health and have proper sleep so that your mind will work efficiently. Once again I'm saying don't neglect your health. And finally, again and again I'm saying don't get tensed, be calm. Tension kills you twice. So don't get tensed. Be calm, be cool, trust yourself, be confident. All is well, all the best.